Your 20s were about setup. Your 30s were about acceleration. Your 40s? This is the decade of optimization. By now, your career is established, your income is likely at or near its peak, and your responsibilities are heavier. Kids, aging parents, mortgages, and retirement planning. The best purchases in your 40s are not about flexing success. They're about securing the base you've built, minimizing risks, and making intentional upgrades that let you enjoy life now while protecting your future. In this episode, I'll walk you through the smartest purchases to make in your 40s. These are the buys that multiply peace, preserve health, and accelerate your path to true financial freedom. The mindset shift, from growth to preservation plus purpose. In your 20s and 30s, every dollar was about building and scaling. In your 40s, the focus shifts to protecting what you've built while still enjoying your prime earning years. Your biggest risk now isn't missing out on a flashy opportunity. It's neglecting the foundations that could unravel everything later. The best purchases are about security, efficiency, and purpose. 1. Maxed out retirement accounts and tax strategy. Not glamorous, but essential. In your 40s, the best purchase is filling every tax-advantaged account available: 401k, IRA, Roth options, HSA. Also, hiring a tax strategist or CPA who can optimize deductions, capital gains, and account sequencing. This purchase is like buying decades of peace of mind and potentially saving hundreds of thousands in future taxes. 2. A paid-off or right-sized home. By your 40s, your housing decision should be strategic. If you're staying put, extra payments to knock down your mortgage early can be one of the safest investments you make. If your home is too big, too costly, or in the wrong location, downsizing or relocating now can free up huge cash flow and reduce future stress. The best purchase here is either freedom from debt or a home that truly matches your next 20 years. 3. Insurance upgrades. Health, life, disability, long-term care. Your 40s are a crossroads. You're still young enough for affordable coverage, but old enough to need it. Prioritize. Adequate term life to cover family until kids are independent. Strong disability insurance. Your income is your biggest asset. Health insurance you fully understand. Deductibles out of pocket. Start exploring long-term care insurance if family health history suggests it. This is about protecting your wealth from being destroyed by surprises. 4. A comprehensive estate plan. The smartest purchase isn't just a will, it's the full setup: will, trust if applicable, power of attorney, healthcare proxy, and updated beneficiaries. Spend on an estate attorney who can tailor it to your situation. This is buying clarity for your family and avoiding costly chaos later. 5. Health Infrastructure 2.0, midlife maintenance. In your 40s, prevention is wealth. Purchase regular health screenings, blood work, heart, cancer checks as age appropriate. A consistent fitness plan. Invest in a trainer or equipment that keeps you consistent. Sleep upgrades. Better mattress, blackout, CPA if prescribed. Nutrition support. Meal services, supplements if medically advised. Ignoring health in your 40s is the most expensive non-purchase you can make. 6. College savings or future education funds if applicable. If you have kids, investing in 529s or education funds now can reduce the student debt burden later. If no kids, consider funding your own future education or reskilling. The best purchase here is optionality: your kids' future or your own reinvention. 7. Experiences with family and friends. Your 40s are peak busyness: career, kids, aging parents. Buying intentional experiences with the people who matter ensures you don't wake up at 50 wondering where the decade went. This means family trips, date nights, reunions, or even just quality time built into your calendar. These are investments in memories and relationships that outlast possessions. 8. A side business or passion project. Optionality buy. In your 40s, career risk is real. Industries change, roles disappear. Buying the starter kit for a side hustle or passion project, website, course, tools, mentor is buying insurance against career disruption and buying a path to autonomy. 9. High-quality everyday tools. Bed, chair, shoes, tech. By now, it's worth upgrading what you use daily. A mattress that supports restorative sleep. An ergonomic office setup. Chair, monitor, lighting. Quality shoes that protect joints. Tech upgrades that make work efficient. Computer, phone, software. These aren't luxuries, they're health and productivity investments. 10. Professional development and networking. Pay for the conference, the mastermind, the executive coach, or the course that sharpens your skills and expands your network. In your 40s, opportunities flow through people more than resumes. Buy access to smarter rooms. 11. Travel and experiences that reflect your values. Unlike the splurges of your 20s, in your 40s, you buy trips and experiences that align with your family, health, and values. Think less status travel, more legacy travel, showing your kids the world, connecting with history, or creating traditions. These are purchases that compound in meaning. 12. Mental health and stress management. Therapy, coaching, retreats, or mindfulness tools are all high ROI purchases. In your 40s, responsibilities peak and so does stress. Buying systems that calm your nervous system is not indulgent, it's survival. 13. Time buying services. The 40s are when your time is most squeezed. Buying services that free hours, cleaning help, meal prep, landscaping, even tutoring for kids can be life-changing. You're not buying laziness, you're buying focus for what matters most. 14. A reliable vehicle for the next decade. By now, you should buy a car that will last through your 40s and early 50s. Think reliability, safety, efficiency, not flash. Pay cash if possible, or finance responsibly with a short term. A car that won't drain your budget is a freedom purchase. The 90-day upgrade plan for your 40s. Month 1. Financial security. Review retirement contributions, max where possible. Meet with a CPA and estate attorney. Review and upgrade insurance. Month 2. Health and lifestyle. Book screenings, dental and fitness check-ins. Upgrade your daily use items, bed, chair, shoes. Budget for one family experience or trip. Month 3. Future-proofing. Fund college or future education accounts. Explore a side project or skill upgrade. Automate Freedom Fund contributions. Case study snapshot. Mark, 42, and Sarah, 40, reallocated $500 a month from lifestyle upgrades to max out retirement accounts. They upgraded health insurance and bought a 20-year term life policy. They hired an estate attorney for $1,200 to create wills and trusts. They replaced their aging cars with reliable, efficient used cars and invested $3,000 in a home gym. They also booked an annual family trip budget. Within 18 months, their stress dropped, savings grew, and they felt more secure than ever. The best purchases in your 40s aren't about showing off. They're about showing up for your future self, your family, and your health. Buy protection, insurance, estate plans. Buy compounding, retirement, education, side business. Buy health, screenings, sleep, fitness. Buy time, services, systems. Buy experiences with people who matter. Do this, and by 50, you'll not only be wealthier, you'll be freer, calmer, and more present. That's real success.